ciao bella, and welcome all to my self-love affirmations kit review. So here we have the self-love affirmations kit sales page, guys. This is the newest launch by Danielw and Melandri. It is going live today, and today is the 30th of December. So it's going live at 10 a.m. New York time. Now, something that I want to mention to you right off the bat. Well, the launch ends on the 3rd of January at midnight. And from that time on, the price will jump up significantly. Well, it will actually double. I want you to be aware of it because I know there's a lot of false scarcity going around, right? As we know, especially amongst Warrior Plus launches. However, with some vendors, it is not the case, okay? Danielw is one of them. And when this is the JV page for JV's joint venture, right? Joint venture. So for JV partners, for his affiliates, basically. So when he says the price will increase, the price will increase. You see? The price will jump to $19.95. For now, it is at ridiculously low price, $9.95. It's all to do with self-love. Self-love is a very, very booming, right? Very, very popular, sought after niche, and rightly so. It should be. Someone said that we cannot effectively love others if we don't love ourselves first. Yeah, love thy neighbor as you love yourself. We don't have to go far. The bestseller, the Bible, tells us that. So, anyhow, this is the review that I wrote for you guys, so you can see all you have here, well, all that comes with this product, all the benefits, features. So, here's also the funnel. You have the full information about the funnel, so I jotted it down in such a way that you can absorb the information easily and make an educated decision as to whether this is the right product for you, okay? If you pick it up from me, so if you smash this buy now button, then you're gonna be redirected to the sales page, okay? And from that sales page, which is essentially my affiliate link, click here to purchase. And this is a Warrior Plus launch. Right, okay, amazing. So, let me tell you also before I dive deeper and show you the members area, which is delivered to you as a Google Docs. Very simple look, but do not be fooled by the simplicity of it because the value is through the roof, okay? And I'll show you all of the content that you will be given once you purchase the product. You will be given access to. However, before we move on, let me just mention all of the bonuses I also have for you if you pick up this product via my written review. And these are custom-made bonuses, okay? The first one is called Creating a Profitable YouTube Channel with PLR Content. You can, of course, reuse this content, put it on YouTube channel. You will have some articles in self-love niche, and you can turn these articles into videos, okay, publish them on YouTube, and from then on, the ultimate guide to selling digital products, social media marketing strategies for digital products, and creating a profitable blog around self-love. These bonuses I actually created yesterday to specifically match this launch, okay? You will not find them, of course, anywhere else, and they're custom made and they're very congruent with this offer, okay? I made them in such a way to add more value, not only to complement, but just add way more value, okay, to this product, even though it's already crazy valuable, of course. Right, so you've got the review. And go check out the funnel. There are some cool upsells. Pay attention to the prices. So I wrote the funnel section in also such a way just to let you know about the price, when the price is jumping up, when it's going to increase, and all of that. Okay. So there is even this bump off on the front end, and after the launch, it will jump from $7 to $9.95. So stuff like that. Okay, it's good to be aware of it. Alright, let me show you the product. I'm not gonna sweat over the sales page. This is something you have access to. Go over, through it. You have all listed, all of the bonuses from the vendor on top of just the front end. But essentially, guys, you're getting 120 self-love affirmation cards. They come in both colored and black, which is very nice, okay? So for sort of like flexibility. In both Canva, which is fully editable and free to use, of course, and as a PDF version, okay? You can resell them as printables. Right? On platforms like Etsy. Or you can use them, some people like to have them in also like a physical card and read those self-love affirmations. There was this lady, she passed away already. She lived to an old age. She, recovered from cancer completely naturally. What's her name? Louise Hayes, I believe. Yeah, she was very, very well known for those self-love affirmations. Maybe she even started that movement altogether. I remember there was a time I used to listen to her. Very, very inspirational person indeed. So yeah, that's that. But you can also share them across social media accounts, obviously Facebook, TikTok. You can turn them into videos as well. Just a post, but yeah, turn them into videos, even using Canva. That's possible. Then you will have 2 voiceover MP3 files, male and female. So what's that? That is professionally narrated version of the affirmations for audio immersion, meditation, and reflection. Right? Some people like to listen to those meditations. Very relaxing. Then we have 5 long blog articles with all of the, meta description, the tags for good ranking. Okay. So you may want to post them on your blogs, on your website, if you have a website in sort of that self-awareness, self-love niche. Okay. And then we have also 50 self-love AI prompts. So questions for self-reflection and improving self-love with the help of AI with ChatGPT or Claude, right? And some bonuses as well. Well, let me just take you to the members area and show you from there how you're going to access the product. Here also is the tutorial from Danielw. Okay, let me just show you this tutorial. It's 10 minutes long, where Danielw takes you through the whole process of customizing these templates using Canva, what you can do. And he's going through the whole product, okay, telling you what you have, giving you the overview and how you can access it, customize them, and stuff like that. Okay, so you have the color. So if I click through here, okay, I'm going to be taken to Canva, to my free Canva account. And here you have them 4-in-1, sort of, on one page. And if I click through here, then I'm going to be redirected to Canva. And from here, of course, I can do all of the customization. Cool. And then we also have the A4. Okay, this is a PDF. But that one is, I think, like individually. Yeah, there you go. So you can add it one at a time. Okay, and then you also have black and white. So it's sort of plain look, and of course you can add background to it, you can add your logo to it. So yeah, go ahead and make them unique. That's the whole point. So they stand out, they're different. Here you have the voiceover, here we have what do we have? The affirmation list, blog articles. Check out these articles. Let me just show you. I'm gonna have to blur it out. But you will have the meta title, the description, the slug, even, okay, if you have a WordPress website, you need it, the outline, and then the articles, 5 of them. And then we also have AI prompts. So I like these prompts. Okay, there are 50 of them. And okay, the categories are understanding self-love, building self-love practices, overcoming challenges with self-love, because very often I believe we tend to sabotage our own happiness or the things we deserve, okay, because of the traumas from the past and the scars we may be carrying within us, deep within us, back from the childhood. It's about healing the inner child. This is something very, very popular that's coming to the surface. More and more people are talking about it, and that's a good thing that's happening in the world. The awareness is definitely on the rise. So, deepening self-awareness through self-love, as long as you don't make it into an egotistical movement where it's like my way or highway, but this is not the point here, of course. If you understand self-love properly, then you're very, very selfless. But yet at the same time, you've got your standards, right? And that's it, you know. So it's about, I guess, boundaries, setting boundaries, stuff we learn in life. It's very important. So seeking support and inspiration. So you can grab any of these prompts, take them to ChatGPT, and it will create an article around it, okay? So very useful stuff as well. Okay guys, so that's that, and then below you have the bonuses which have been listed on the sales page, so I'm not gonna really mention them. And here below you have access to the upgrades should you want to upgrade later on, or you can just go through my review, I would say, because it is thoroughly explained and described, especially the whole funnel. So I made sure you have full information as to what's OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you've got if there are downsells, I also let you know about it. So familiarize yourself with that information. The link to it will be below my review in the description box. And of course, my custom bonuses are awaiting your royal presence. Okay, should you pick up the product via the link below my review, via my written review. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and yeah, love yourself. Okay, take care.